Exercise 8, Format, Edit, and Check Spelling, part of the Excel 2007 Core Exam Prep Guide, brought to you by Shiftkey Solutions. In this exercise, we'll be going through our worksheet and replacing words with new words, formatting existing text, and applying cell styles. We're going to come to cell A1 and we're going to look to replace the word 3 with the number 4. In order to do that, there's a couple of ways of doing this. You'll notice that as you select any particular cell, that makes that cell active. So if I come to cell A1, that's an active cell right now. If I double click inside this cell, it switches to edit mode, indicated with my insertion point blinking in here. However, if I come to cell A1 and I want to change some text in here, I can also do this in my formula bar. If I click inside my formula bar, I can move my insertion point around to where I like and make changes to this text. The method we're going to use in this exercise is I'm going to double click inside the cell and then I'm going to double click this word 3. When I double click, it selects the word 3 and I want to replace the word 3 with the word 4. When I'm finished, I'll just click out of it or press enter. Next, we're going to select the cell range A4 through F4. So here's A4 through F4, and what I want to do is apply an underline format to these titles. So I'm going to come to my font group and click my underline button, and I'll notice that each of these are slightly yellow, indicating that they are on, and that's a reminder that these are toggle switches, like a light switch. If I click underline again, it's off and it's not highlighted in yellow. If I click it again, it's on. Next, I'm going to select cell A10 through F10, and I want to apply the total style to this cell range. So I'm going to come to my styles group and click my more button, and then I'm going to look for totals under the titles and headings section, and here it is now. Here's the totals. I'm going to click this and it applies that style. One last thing I'll notice is that I don't have a total for my totals, so I'm going to click my cell E10 and just use my fill handle, move it over. There's the total for the totals column. Now I want to move my active cell to the very beginning of my worksheet here, and I'm going to do that by pressing Control Home. When I press Control Home, it'll always move me to cell A1 within my worksheet. Next, I want to do some spell checking in my worksheet here. So I'm going to come to my Review tab, and in the Proofing group, I'm going to click the Spelling button. When I click that, it opens up my spelling dialog box, and right off the bat it tells me that Jamaican is misspelled. Here's the correct spelling for it. Well, if I agree with that, I can click Change, and I'm going to click Change right now. And here it found another misspelling. Well, this is more of an Italian word and it's not misspelled, so I'm going to choose Ignore All. And then it tells me here that this word is misspelled as well. However, I know that it's not misspelled, so I'm going to choose Ignore All again. When I'm finished, Excel gives me a dialog box, tells me that the spelling check is complete for the entire worksheet. So I'll click OK, and then I'm going to come to my Quick Access toolbar, click Save, and that completes Exercise 8. Format, Edit, and Check Spelling. Next will be Exercise 9, Conditional Formatting.